Today we're working on a Chevy Silverado. This is a 2024 work truck model. So this is the base trim level you would get just for like a fleet vehicle. And I'm gonna go over how to do the rear tail lights. So if you need to replace this whole thing, this can come off. Or if you need to do just a bulb, that's what I'm gonna go over. The tools you're gonna need is a torx. This is a torx T15. Make sure you don't use a T10, it will strip the bolt out. And then over here, we got some gloves. When you're handling bulbs, you always wanna use gloves. So let's jump in. We're gonna start off with a bolt here and then the bolt down here. These are the T15 screws here. Screws, not bolts. So I got the two screws out of there. Now there are two things that are stuck here and here in these kind of rubber washer things. So what you're going to want to do is pull directly back at the bottom and then directly out at the top. You also have like these little aligning things that help align and lock the light in. But as you pull back, you're also, let's see, there we go. So this has to clear down here. So once this is out, then you have access to all your bulbs. And the way these work is you're standing directly behind the bulb and you turn, let's see, counterclockwise, you can pop these bulbs out. So there's a bulb. Now remember, when you're handling these bulbs, pull out, and I have a glove on. There's our bulb. It's a pretty common bulb. I'll put a link in the description for each one of these bulbs. It is the same process for the reverse bulb, for the backup, reverse bulb, running bulb, and turn signal are all in here. There's 4 lights total. They all twist out. They are different bulbs, but it's all the same process. And just to go over what each bulb does, you have a bulb here. It is your running light and your brake light. Then the bulb down here is the same thing, running light, brake light. You have a reverse bulb, and then down here you have a side marker bulb. Now when you're putting this back in, you want to line up this guy and this guy and this when you first start to align it in. And then there's a peg here that goes into here, and just go slow, align those things, and then you can throw your bolts back in. And that's how you do the tail lights on a Chevy Silverado. If this was helpful, let me know.